We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. It's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible for our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.